now it's time that we get started with the next part. The first one was magic design, and now this time we are with, what do we call it, transforming our content using magic switch, magic animate, and magic morph. We start with magic switch as the first topic of discussion today. So that's magic switch for us. Use magic switch to resize your design into multiple formats at once, or to translate your design into another language. Magic switch is part of Magic Studio, once again included with your Canva for Team plan. Transform your presentation into a doc, or resize your design into another format. Use magic switch to translate your design into another language. Watch as all your messaging elements and content are automatically formatted. Yeah, that's interesting. Let's try magic switch ourselves. Here we have, and they explain how exactly we do that. So we have the options. So translate, magic resize got an upgrade. You can now translate and transform. All your resize options are still here in magic switch. So it's no longer resize. We used to, if you remember, we used to have a resize option over here, which has now changed to magic switch. And it also switches the language if you want it to. So I won't use this transform into, I would use the presentation that we just created. Let's see if it's there in the history. Yep, let's use this particular presentation that we just created and see if we can use magic switch to this particular presentation. Okay, this was on the topic helping small businesses with creative solutions. That's magic switch for us. We have the option to translate all the pages into Spanish. So we can translate existing design without creating a copy, or with creating a copy. So if we do not select it, it will create a copy and translate. If we select on it, it won't create a copy. So let's not create a copy. Now you see how quickly all of the text got changed into Spanish without you even having to blink your eyes. That was magic switch, the language switch. Now the next is turn a design into a summary, a blog post, or a song lyrics. What does it do? Let's try. Transform into a doc. Select a text format, summary as a blog post, as a poem, as a song lyrics, as an email, as an all text. Let's try it out as an email. Transform into a doc. Wow, this should be interesting. I haven't tried it before because I see it has got added to the Canva tool very recently. Like it says, larger designs may take a little longer. Now we open the doc, and I think we'll have to use the translate option once again. Here we have the doc. Since Spanish is something that goes outside my, but yeah, that's the email subject, and that's the email that we have it changed into. Or what we can also do is translate it back to English. Everything translated back to English, and now we use the transform into a doc, and let's transform it into a blog post. Transform into a doc. So your presentations getting converted into a blog post without you having to do anything really. This is going to be handy when we create a lot of courses. I'm sure this is going to help me a lot and save me a lot of time while I create a presentation. It helps me turn it into an email or a blog post or something for newsletters. Here we are, open the doc. Yeah, your design partner helping small businesses. So you see everything is over here. That was interesting. Next, now I want to resize it. I want to resize this entire presentation into a mobile first presentation. Okay, let's see if it resizes it into a mobile first. Resize the design. So here we have the same design resized as a mobile first presentation, but it doesn't do it really well. Not perfect fit, but the other two things that it did well was translating it into a different language and turning it into a doc. That's appreciated and well done. So that was Magic Switch for you guys.